When it comes to choosing a reliable plumbing design company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the top choice. With years of experience in the industry, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a leader in providing high-quality plumbing design services. Their team of skilled and experienced professionals are well-versed in the latest design techniques and technologies, ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standard. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of a well-designed plumbing system in any residential or commercial building. They offer comprehensive plumbing design services that cater to the unique needs and requirements of their clients. From initial consultations to detailed planning and execution, Scon Design India Private Ltd ensures that every aspect of the plumbing design is carefully considered and implemented. As a leading plumbing design company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd takes pride in delivering innovative and efficient solutions. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific needs and goals, and then develop customized designs that meet and exceed expectations. Their team of experts utilize advanced technology and tools to create accurate and detailed plumbing designs that optimize functionality and minimize costs. One of the key factors that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other plumbing design companies is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They prioritize open communication with their clients throughout the entire design process, ensuring that all concerns and requirements are addressed promptly. With their attention to detail and dedication to excellence, Scon Design India Private Ltd has earned a reputation for delivering exceptional plumbing design solutions. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading plumbing design company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With its expertise and experience in the field of plumbing design, the company has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services related to plumbing design, catering to both residential and commercial projects. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd is comprised of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest trends and technologies in plumbing design. They work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their needs. Whether it is designing a new plumbing system or upgrading an existing one, the company ensures that every project is executed with utmost precision and attention to detail. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd lies in its ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. The company understands the importance of timely completion of projects and strives to achieve it by employing efficient project management techniques. By closely monitoring the progress of each project and addressing